Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create MSN account on your PC. MSN, also known as Microsoft Network, is an online platform that provides various range of service including Hotmail, news, weather, entertainment and more. It is owned by Microsoft. Microsoft account and MSN account are essentially the same thing. If you have Microsoft account, you have MSN account. MSN is the service that is provided by Microsoft like any other services provided by Microsoft. To create MSN account, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now here you can directly create your MSN account on MSN's website. For that, go to your search bar and type in www.msn.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of MSN. Now here you can see a small profile icon with circle on top right. Click on the given icon. Then here you can see sign in box. Now here you can see no account, create one option. Click on create one. With this, here you can see the registration box. Now here you need to first enter an existing email that you want to use to create your account. You can also use Yahoo address or your Gmail address. Similarly, if you don't have your email address or you don't want to use your personal email address or your Gmail address, then you can click on get a new email address option. I am going to enter my existing Gmail address on the given box. After this, click on next option. After this, you need to create a strong password that you would like to use with your account. After entering your password, click on next. With this, now you'll receive a verification code on your email address. So once go through your mail address. Now on the inbox, look for the mail that is sent from Microsoft account. Then click on the given mail. Now here you can see your security code. Copy the given security code. Then go back to MSN's website. Then enter the given code that you have just copied. Similarly, if you would like to receive information, tips and offers about Microsoft products and services, then you can click on the given box. After this, click on next. By clicking on next, you'll agree to Microsoft Service Agreement and Privacy Policy. After this, you need to solve the puzzle so that it will help Microsoft to know that you are not a robot. Click on next option. Then you need to use the arrows to rotate the object facing the direction of the hand. After doing so, click on submit. After this, your verification will be completed and you'll be proven as human. With this, now here you'll be guided to another page where you need to add in your details about yourself. You need to first enter your first name. Then you need to enter your last name on the given respective places. Then you need to enter your birth date. First select your month, then enter your date and then select your year. Then you need to select your country or region. After this, you need to click on next option. Now here you need to look at your birth date and confirm that your birth date is correct. Then click on next. After this, your MSN account will be created. As you can see here, my MSN account has been created. You can use your MSN account like your Microsoft account. You can also access it as your Microsoft account. You can also use your Outlook or your Microsoft services like Office or Hotmail using your MSN account. This is how we can create MSN account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.